What is up everyone, and welcome to another video. And this video is finally here. I'm revealing the secret that I've been keeping for, it's been like month I guess, and it's crazy. So you know that in some of the latest video I was saying that I don't want to buy another car, since it's not a great time and I just want to finish my E36 and I have big plans with my E36. Okay, so as I was saying, it's not a great time to buy another car, another project car, and I just want to finish my E36 and I have big plans with my E36, and it's gonna be really expensive because I want to build something that will look real cool and real functional. And what plans I have with my E36, yeah, I didn't want to buy another car, another project car, but something happened and there was this offer that I just couldn't say no to. And I'm gonna show you. It's crazy. I still can't believe it. So yeah, let's go. So I just happened to buy E46. So I just happened to buy E46 with M52 B28 under the hood, but this engine is TU, which means it's technical update. So it's not a normal E46. There are like M badges and M wheels, BBS styling 101. Another thing is that it has M interior, M-Tech steering wheel, and yeah, it's chocolate brown M interior with the roof. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. It has front brakes from M54, like 3-liter. It has fake M trimmers, but they work, which is super cool. I didn't want to buy it, but I just couldn't say no to this offer. It was a really good deal. It has M tail lights, carbon CSL wing, which is super cool. Also it has super sprint, the exhaust. Yeah, this car is pretty much like built for this is pretty much like a track car. I wouldn't like to drift this thing, and maybe like small skids, why not, but I don't want to like tear this thing apart, since it's not in a bad shape and the M wheels look real good. Yeah, it's really crazy. I still can't believe it. The really cool thing is that it's pretty much the same setup I want on my E36, but yeah, this is more like a track car. I am revealing what I want to do with my E36, but I want my E36 to be like a drift car or a street drift style. So yeah, what I didn't say is it has PU bushings in front and the rear, which is super cool. It has, let me show the engine. So the engine bay is, yeah, M52 B28 TU, but it does have like small changes. So this is a carbon filter. It has M54 B30 intake. So yeah, this is a M54 B30 intake. You need adapter to fit the M52 B28 throttle body, but it has adapters so you can fit M52 B28 throttle body. So yeah, stainless steel exhaust manifold, which is you can see it. I don't know what it's called right now in English, but here comes the thing. So this car was for a good price, and the reason why is one thing that it was sitting for like half a year. But let me show you. Okay, so the thing is why it was so cheap, and what I'm trying to figure out now is this thing. So the EML light is on, which means that there is something wrong. Not like with the engine, but there is something wrong, and it doesn't want to go like past 90 kilometers per hour, which is bad. So everybody who has E46, who has or had E46 in the past, probably had this problem with EML light. So the EML light is something in Germany, but it pretty much says that it will not let you drive past 90 kilometers per hour. It doesn't have like the power it should have. I mean, it drives pretty normal at some point, but you can drive. I am not E46 type of guy, but you know, when I saw this, I just couldn't say no. I just couldn't say no. Okay, so yeah, I didn't want to buy any other car. This thing is one of the deals that you really have to buy. I don't say a lot of things about this car. It was a really good deal and I just couldn't say no. And you know, I would hate myself for not buying this thing. It's not something that I did want to buy in the first place, but when I saw it, this car is not rusty. This car is pretty much done, so it's built from start to the end. I don't know what plans I have with this car. There are some things I want to fix. The passenger's window regulator, yeah, the window is pretty much falling, but there are like small things I have to repair, except the EML. So when I bought it, the previous owner had an accident. He was driving, you know, on the new tires. And since this car is built to be a track car, it's not supposed to be like drifty. The previous owner just wanted to, you know, it was rainy and he did want to drift it a little bit. But with the new tires, he pushed the gas pedal to the floor. He was pretty much in the drift, and then the car got the grip. And yeah, he pretty much crashed the front bumper, which you can see it's a different color than, but if you look at the fender, it's much more better. So that's one thing. And the second thing is the sills. The sills are pretty much the same. The previous owner wanted to save some money and painted these things by himself. I didn't try the sunroof yet, but the interior looks really good, and this thing is crazy. Even the steering wheel, oh my god, you know, it has short shift. Okay, so I'm gonna start it up so you can hear how it sounds. You know what? Let's take it for a ride. Okay, so this was just a small ride with my new project, pretty much E46. I really wish it would be 200SX or something like that, but I'm pretty happy that I got my hands on this thing, and finally I can show you what I've been keeping secret. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. You can like, comment, subscribe, and you know what? See you next time.